Up till now, we have seen different types of machine tools. In that, we have seen lathe machine, drilling machines. In each of the machine tool, we are seeing principle of that machine, on which principle it is working, construction of that machine, and operations going to be performed on that machine, as well as the classifications of that machine. Today, we are going to see the milling machines. Milling machine is used to generate required shape of on the workpiece by using a tool known as milling cutter. Milling cutter is a multi-point cutting tool. Cutting tool is in lathe we are using single point cutting tool. In drilling we are using multi-point cutting tool, and milling machine also we are going to use multi-point cutting tool. The cutter is fed against the workpiece to remove the material and give the work in desired shape. That means cutter is rotating, but it is stationary. It is not as drill is having, tool is rotating, as well as we are giving the feed to the tool. But in milling cutter, cutter is fixed. It is having rotational motion, but there is no axial movement of that cutter. We are giving work movement to the workpiece. And the difference between drilling machine and milling machine: in lathe machine, single point cutting tool; here, multi point cutting tool. Principle of milling machine: the workpiece is mounted on the work holding device. The work holding device is mounted on the table, which is given a reciprocating motion. The milling cutter is given a rotary motion and is fed against the work, which removes the material from the workpiece in the form of chips and gives a required shape to the workpiece. See, this is cutter is rotating, it is fixed. Workpiece, we are giving movement to the workpiece towards the cutter. We are shifting workpiece towards the tool, so there will be a removal of metal and we got the required shape. There are two types of milling processes. One is up milling and another one is down milling. Up milling means workpiece advances against the rotating against. See, now this is cutter rotating in anti-clockwise directions, and force at this point, how it is going to act? It is in upward direction or in clockwise direction, or it is opposite to the feed of the directions. See, in up milling, cutter is rotating and जो फोर्स कटिंग रोटेशनमुळे जो फोर्स होणार आहे सेंट्रिफ्युगल फोर्स, त्याच्या अपोजिट डायरेक्शनमध्ये आपण फीड देणार आहोत. चिप्स आर प्रोग्रेसिव्हली थिकर. अनदर वन इज डाऊन मिलिंग. द वर्क पीस इज फेड इन द सेम डायरेक्शन ॲज दॅट ऑफ द कटर टूल. डायरेक्शन त्याच डायरेक्शननी मटेरियल पोहते. पहिले रोटरी कटची आपण तीच मुवमेंट ठेवली, अपोजिट डायरेक्शन त्याला अप मिलिंग, same direction is down milling. Cutter enters top of the workpiece and removes the chip that gets progressively thinner. Difference between up milling and down milling: workpiece is fed in the opposite direction of that cutter, workpiece is fed in the same direction of that. Chips are thicker, chips are thinner. Strong clamping is required since the cutting force is directed upwards and tends to leave the workpiece. Strong clamping is not required since cutting force is directed downwards, keep the workpiece pressed to the table. Poor surface finish, good surface finish. These are the basic differences. Now we will go for the classification of milling machines. There are basically 4 types of classic milling machines are there: column and knee type, fixed bed type, planar type, and special type. Column and knee type machine. This type of milling machine is most commonly used machine due to flexibility and easier setup. The machine consists of knee made up of cast iron which can slide over the vertical column. This knee. जसं आपण गुडघा असतो, गुडघ्याच्या शेपचा बघा, गुडघा इथे लावलेलं गुडघ्याच्या खाली वरती होतं आहे गुडघा. गुडघ्यावर आपण जसं इथं ठेवलं आणि तो गुडघावरती उचलला तसं त्याची मुवमेंट दिलेली आहे आणि त्या स्लाईडवरती त्याला माउंट केलेलं असतं. टू अकोमोडेट द लार्ज साईज वर्कपीस, नी कॅन बी मेड टू मूव अप अँड डाऊन. टेबल माउंटेड ऑन द नी can have longitudinal and cross speed movement. This movement as well as this movement, both the movements we are having. The column houses the motor, feed mechanism, gearbox, etc. The milling cutter is mounted on a spindle known as arbor. The front end of the arbor is fixed in the arbor support. The cutter is given rotary motion through the arbor and fed against the workpiece. This was the horizontal milling machine. This one is the vertical milling machine. Vertical column type knee type milling machine. The construction of is similar to the horizontal machine except spindle type and location. The spindle is located in vertical direction and it is suitable for holding cutters having shaft. The vertical machine is relatively more flexible and suitable for machining complex cavities. And another universal milling machine is there in this same type. Only difference is that you can convert vertical milling machine into horizontal milling machine or horizontal milling machine to vertical milling machine as per requirement. We can change. That's why it is called as universal milling machine. This is the major type of classification is there, and these are the major sorry. So in milling machines, what we are doing operations by rotary cutter is there, and we are feeding the workpiece towards the rotary cutter. Okay, and in that we have seen the column and knee type milling machine. Different parts are there. We have shown the construction of that milling machine of column and knee type. Regarding column and knee type, we have seen the construction of that milling machine. Basically, column is there. On that column, knee is there. The knee can with the on the knee, workpiece holder is going to be kept, and on that workpiece holder we are clamping the workpiece, and that workpiece is having longitudinal movement as well as transverse movement, and we are feeding the workpiece towards the tool, towards the cutter. There are two types of horizontal milling machine and vertical milling machine basically, and in that case horizontal milling machine having a arbor mounting arrangement. With the help of that arbor is giving a support. That arbor is nothing but it is a shaft which is connected to the gearbox in the inside of the column, and it is supported with in the arbor support with the help of arbor bracket, and we are giving the movement to the cutter, and its axis is horizontal to the axis, and workpiece axis is parallel to each other. Horizontal axis is parallel to each other, and in vertical milling machines this is vertical milling machine. In that vertical milling machines, see, workpiece is here and tool axis is perpendicular to the workpiece. It is parallel in horizontal. It is parallel to the It is parallel to the workpiece. Now it is perpendicular to the workpiece. Same is there. Column is there. On column, knee is mounted, and in that knee mounted workpiece is going to be hold with the help of workpiece holding devices. ठीक है, this we have seen. Tomorrow we will see the operations going to be performed on milling machines. Thank you.